Fish cannelloni are a delicious and refined variant of the more traditional meat-filled cannelloni dish. Here is the recipe. Ingredients: 12 ready-made cannelloni pasta, or about 150 grams of fresh lasagna sheets that you can roll, 300 grams of white fish fillet, such as cod or sea bass, 200 grams of shrimp, 1 small onion, 1 clove of garlic, 100 ml of white wine, 250 ml of bechamel sauce, 100 grams of tomato puree, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, salt and pepper to taste, extra virgin olive oil, 100 grams of grated cheese, parmesan or pecorino. Preparation: start by cooking the fish and shrimp in a pan with a little olive oil, chopped onion, and a clove of garlic. Deglaze with the white wine and let it evaporate. Once cooked, chop the fish and shrimp and transfer them to a bowl. Add the chopped parsley, salt, pepper, and mix well. Prepare a bechamel sauce following your favorite recipe or using ready-made, and mix it with the fish mixture, setting aside a small amount for topping. If you are using fresh lasagna sheets, blanch them for a few minutes in salted water, then lay them out on a clean cloth to dry. Fill the cannelloni with the fish filling, using a teaspoon or a piping bag. In a baking dish, pour a base of tomato puree, then arrange the stuffed cannelloni side by side and cover everything with the bechamel sauce you set aside. Sprinkle with grated cheese and a few spoonfuls of tomato puree for color. Bake the cannelloni at 180 degrees centigrade for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until they are well browned on top. Curiosity: cannelloni is a recipe originating from central Italy, but it has become a classic in many Italian regions. The fish version is a lighter reinterpretation and suitable for special occasions or seafood-themed dinners. To give an even more Italian touch, you could add some ricotta to the filling to make it even creamier, or use local bluefish for a more Mediterranean variant. Enjoy your meal.